Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Olivia and I'm so excited to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Blendiful by Tati Beauty and reviewing it. So let's just get right on into it. Alright, so it came in a package that looks like this. Obviously, I already opened it because I couldn't wait. Here's the back. It just has the cleaning instructions, really easy to clean, and all that jazz. So I was a little bit worried when I saw other people playing with it that it looks like a little bit flimsy and stuff, but it's actually pretty packed in there, the padding is, so especially the little one. The little one seems more firm than the big one, but that might just be me. Anyways, this one's a bluish gray color. It's a really soft material. It's kind of fun to play with because it does that thing where it changes colors a little bit when you rub it, especially this one. I love the little one, it's so cute. But yeah, let's just jump right in. So I'm going to be going into the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation in 430, and I'm gonna put it right onto the sponge. So just like that, and I hope this works. I usually put more than one pump on my face, but wow, okay, hold on, I forgot my mirror. There we go. It feels a lot different than I thought it would. I'm gonna put 2 more pumps on there. I'm gonna just go like that and start. So it doesn't streak at all, which is really interesting because you'd think that the little fibery things would leave a mark, but they don't. And it feels so smooth, very soft, it's not tugging at my skin, it just glides really well. And I think it helps if you want a thin layer of foundation, it's really easy to spread. The product goes a long way. At least that's what I'm noticing first off. But I'm gonna go in with a little bit more foundation just because I want more coverage. Someone knocking on my window? Okay, it was no one. As I was saying, I actually really like it, and the number one thing I like about it is that you can get it done so fast. Seriously, I did my foundation so fast because of the size of this thing. It's huge. So yeah, I really like that. So if you're a mom, you'll like that. If you're just a person who's on the go, you'll like that. Next, we're gonna go in with concealer, and I'm gonna use the Pretty Fresh concealer from ColourPop in Light 40. I'm gonna put that on like this, where I want it and all that jazz, and then we will go over with the mini one. Under my eyes, on my chin, on my nose, on my forehead, and around the corners of my mouth. This one is my favorite. It's so cute and fluffy, and I love it. So I think I'm just gonna kind of bend it like this and just go in. Here we go, y'all. We're just going at it. Wow. It keeps the coverage there. I was scared it was just gonna grab it, but wow, I'm kind of just keeping it there. You guys, I'm kind of impressed. It kept the coverage, so it didn't disperse too much. It stayed where it needed to go. And if you look at this, look, there's barely any product on there. It's all on my face, so that's a really good thing. Now for powder, I'm going in with my Coty Airspun powder. I'm gonna take it on the other corner of the big sponge, folding it up again. I'm just gonna tap into that, and I'm gonna just go for it. Something I like about this is you can tap it on and then you can also sweep, and it doesn't create lines or mess it up. It stays very smooth. You tap it and then you can totally just swipe. And I like that because it helps disperse the product more thinly is what I think, and I don't personally need a ton of powder because my face is so dry, especially right now since it's winter. But yeah, All right, you guys, now for contour, I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place Multi-Purpose Foundation Sticks. This one is in the shade Guinea. I'm sorry, I can't talk today. And then I'm just gonna put that as my contour. Ooh, I always get the lines so mixed up, like one cheekbone's up here and the other one's down here, but the blending will help that. All right, now just taking the big one again and blending that in half, and I'm just gonna start going ham on this, if that makes sense. Okay, so you can't really like press, it doesn't work that, I mean, it works if you do it that way, like if you tap, but I noticed that it just works a lot better if you glide it, and I like that. I feel like it gets done faster. That's why I like using brushes more, so I like that about this. It's kind of like a hybrid between a brush technique and a sponge technique, but yeah, I'm liking it. And it's so, like I said, it's not like dragging at your skin like crazy. It's so soft, like it's really gentle to move around. It does not tug at the skin at all very much. I'm just gonna blend that to the hairline, right there. I'm having kind of a bad hair day, so I'm sorry. Like, you guys really care, but I do, so. Okay, I think it blended it out really flawlessly. I think it looks really good. I like how you can fold it so like you can keep it nice and sharp and where you want it to go. I really like that about it. Okay, I have no idea if this is gonna work. I haven't seen anyone do this yet, but I'm actually just gonna dip it right into my blush. This one is from MAC. It's Sweets for My Sweet. So yeah, I'm just gonna go right into that. And I'm gonna see if I can, oh, okay, okay. All right, it's working. Wow. It's really like disperses it and gives it like a good blend. She named it right. It is the Blendiful. But there's no harsh lines, and it's not like I'm even trying. Like, it's basically effortless. It just blends it perfectly. And I want to show you guys again this, like, there's a tiny bit of pink, but honestly, like, most of it gets on my face, like 98%. I'd even say 99. Okay, now let's see how it works with my all over setting powder that I love so much. This is the Jaclyn Cosmetics Mood Light Powder, and this is in the shade Brighten Up. So I just set some, don't want to show too much or else it'll spill out. I'm gonna grab my big one again, and I'm gonna use the clean spot that's left on here, put some on there like that, and here we go. Let's see if it disperses it well enough. I like to get this stuff everywhere. You know, I think it got it pretty well. Again, it was super smooth putting on. There was no drag at all. It was just like that. Completely smooth. It dispersed the product really well, I think. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eye makeup and my brows, lips, all that jazz, and then I will be back to give my final conclusion on the Blendiful. Okay, so overall, I really love these. They're awesome. So first of all, they are so fast to use, like by far way faster than sponges. I'd even say a tad bit faster than a brush. And I think it's because like you can get really in there, like your hand is close to your face, it has more control, and plus the size of this really helps. It's huge, like crazy. But yeah, so soft, no tugging, like completely smooth on the skin, blends everything out super fast, has a really beautiful finish. I think this is amazing for people who are super into makeup or even beginners. I feel like this like just brings us all together, and it's an amazing product that really anybody could use. It will definitely be in my everyday routine makeup look because, I mean, I have gotten pretty busy lately, so it'll help having something that I can do quick, easy, fast, and it's also really easy to clean from what I hear. So yay! As you can see, my skin looks really good, smooth. I'm liking it a lot. So Tati, you slayed it with this stuff. It's so good, so innovative. I love it. If you watch my channel, you know I do love Tati, but I'm not just saying this because I love Tati. Like, I'm saying this because I really do like this product. I wouldn't want to lead you guys astray and lose your guys' trust, and yeah, like honestly, truly 100% truth. It's amazing. And so cute too. Isn't it so cute? I just can't stop looking at it. Oh. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I loved sitting down and trying this out with you guys. So yeah, I'll see you in my next one, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. See ya.